Lesson 5, the yellow cross. Our cube should look like this now. Our middle row is complete. This lesson, we're going to learn to complete the yellow cross, so it looks like this.
We are going to use a new algorithm. There are only 2 to learn, and remember, your guides have them all clearly set out.
Now, sometimes when you complete the stage before, it may have completed the next step too. If it has, you just got lucky, so you can move on to the next step. If not, let's get going.
Position, yellow on top, sides to move, face, top, right.
We are only worried about the yellow centre and the yellow edge pieces for this step. Sometimes you may have the yellow corners in place, but that's okay. You can ignore them for now. Your cube will be in one of the 4 following positions. You may have the dot, just the yellow centre in place. You could have some of the yellow corners in place too, but we're just ignoring that for now. All we're concerned about is the centre and the edge pieces. You may have the centre with 2 yellow edge pieces forming a hook, or you could have the bar, the yellow centerpiece with 2 edge pieces forming a straight line. Okay, so now we're going to solve the dot. We've got the corner pieces here, but they're not relevant for now. So yellow on top, and we follow this algorithm. Face clockwise, right up, top clockwise, and then we send it back, but in a slightly different order. So it goes right down, top anti-clockwise, face anti-clockwise. And what we formed is the hook here. So if we turn it round, because it's important which position we put it in, the hook will be in the top left corner. Yellow on top, and we follow this algorithm. Face clockwise, top clockwise, right up, and send it back. Top anti-clockwise, right down, face anti-clockwise. So now you can see we've completed the yellow cross. But let's look if we had the bar. When solving the bar, we need to make sure that it is horizontal, not vertical. We are going to use the same algorithm we used for the dot. So we put the yellow on top and we follow this algorithm. Face clockwise, right up, top clockwise. Then we send it back. Right down, top anti-clockwise, face anti-clockwise. And as you can see, we've completed the yellow cross. You can practice this lesson again without having to start from the beginning. If you do either of the algorithms you've just learned, it will get you back to the hook or the bar. When you're ready, we'll see you for lesson number 6.